Hello. This is Jesse from CityNation Marketing Systems. Let me tell you how you can grow your business automatically. This involves assigning a manager for your sales teams and organizing your marketing methods and marketing tools. After you get started with the CityNation Advertising and Marketing Program, you can begin setting up your system of automatically growing your business. Your business growth primarily depends upon your marketing methods and your sales teams. So, as soon as you can, you should assign a sales manager. He or she has two jobs: to promote your business and to supervise your sales teams. Your sales team's primary job is to keep bringing in new customers. The marketing tools to do that are your flyers, your coupons, your online contests, and the free online advertising that your sales teams offer to these businesses. Your marketing teams should spend about 60% of their time visiting the businesses they have not previously gone to, and about 40% of their time visiting those businesses that they have already seen. Your sales teams should visit the same businesses at least once a month, or better yet, every 2 weeks. And your sales teams should have something new to offer them, or to talk about, such as new coupons or a new contest. During your sales team's first visit to a business, they should also offer a free subscription to the CityNation Business Newsletter. This email publication provides articles on how to grow their small business. And this newsletter also provides your sales teams a new subject to talk about during their periodic visits to each business. Meanwhile, CityNation will also be sending your sales teams a special newsletter, which provides helpful information on how they can improve their marketing and their sales. Your sales team should also have goals. The goals can be the number of coupons redeemed, contests that are joined, or the free business advertisements that are requested. The best way to establish monthly goals is to have your sales teams identify their own goals each month. And there should be a combined weekly meeting with all of the sales teams and everyone else who is involved in growing your business. The purpose of this meeting is to review the last month marketing and sales, identify the goals for next month, and talk about how to continue improving all of the marketing and the sales. Collaboration is a key factor in growing your business. You will actually get greater improvements in your marketing and your sales when you create a team of participants who are involved in growing your business. And they meet weekly or bi-weekly to develop new ways to improve their marketing and their sales. And finally, your overall business should have a theme and a purpose, which is to provide the best quality, the best customer service, and to keep on growing your business. Thus, all you have to do is sit in the meetings and oversee the progress of growing your business. Everything else is done for you. You now have automatic growth of your business. Thank you. I will talk to you later about more ways to grow your business.